Pikachu Ninja here, and today is going to be a toy review or a unboxing. Alright, let's get to it. So, I'm going to start with this package right here, and let's read it. Oh, it's the Jedi and the Stormtrooper one. If you guys like Star Wars, I don't know. So here's the Jedi and here's the Stormtrooper one. Can't bend his elbows, but they're just clay ones. Okay, I got another one of these. I got this one off of Amazon. It's already used. Here's the bag. It's I think it's James Dead. I don't know. It's like Deadpool, but okay, then his arm. His knees. Very cool. Put that one back. We got long pole. Alright, you guys know how much. I see something, boy. I see something. You know how much I like Legos. So here's the pack of it. I'm gonna see if they're correct because I think I got Emmett and Batman. Oh, cool! I did. So here's the space guy that I've been wanting with the gold mask. See? Here's the space guy. It's really cool. Here's Batman. There's Batman, bro. He's so cool. Batman. Then I got an Two-Faced one in the back. See? That was cool. And then I got R2-D2's. You already know. I think I showed you now. But I have two more R2-D2's I just got from Amazon. Wait, but this one's silver. Silver. And this one's brown. This one's brown, guys. So, yeah, I like that. I'm going to put it right here. These are going to be the fixer. Alright, so now, I got lots of Pokemon cards. I dropped some. It's the Sun and Moon guys. It's really cool. Yeah, it's really cool. I have to cut it open. Okay, I'll show you guys what's inside. So, it's really cool. I haven't even opened it yet, but yeah, it's really cool. So, here's the package. Really cool. It's not saying it cool. Okay, so here's the poster thing when you play the game. It's like this is bench, so that's the battle. It's the battle thingy. And then here's like the health thingy, I think. And then here's like the Pokemon cards where it's like GXs, EXs. I will post a video when I get more Pokemon cards. Here's the Pokemon. does 120 damage, and Buffnut had 30, knockover is 80, dang. Ooh, guys, look at this. Look at this card. It's 120 damage, Searing Flame 50, Fire Blast 90, okay, that's pretty good. I got lots of training cards. Comment down below if you want any purple energy, because I got like so many right now. Look how much of that I got. So comment down below if you want any. Now stick 90, cool. And also comment down below if you want any fist energy, whatever it's called, because I got way more. Fill up my whole space, see, look at this. Look how much of that I got. So yeah, comment down below. Lucario is my favorite. It's like one of my favorite Pokemon of all. Oh, and here's like the chip guys and stuff. That Pokemon. Very cool. So, I think I have one more thing to show you guys. I think it might be pretty cool, but I don't know for you guys. But it might be cool for you guys. I don't know. But let me go show you over that. Okay, I have the thing, you guys, and here it is. It might not look good, but I made it homemade. The other video, it might be up there, but the other video, with the Lego is this little robot here. It's this. So like I made this robot that Emmett made. That. But yeah, guys, that's the robot that I made. And hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy this video. Smash that like button to get 2 subscribers, and leave the notifications on. And hope you have a great day.